Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by downloading Zupee and finishing KYC so payouts work. Once done, link a bank or UPI ID for withdrawals. Next, claim the welcome bonus and make a small deposit $1 to $5 to test flow and understand fees. Immediately open the game lobby and choose one skill game you will focus on. Practice rounds let you learn rules quickly. This first step gets you funded, verified, and ready to earn without delays. You now shift into consistent practice while managing risk. Practice mode builds skill and timing, while a strict bankroll plan prevents tilt. Make 1% to 5% of your session balance your unit size, and log every match outcome so you can analyze mistakes. Enter low-stakes tournaments to gain experience. Once you win consistently, scale stakes slowly. Use referral and boost credits to reduce cost per play, and rotate game types to exploit your strongest skills. You finish by withdrawing earnings smartly. Confirm your bank or UPI details, request a payout, and note expected processing times. Keep screenshots of transaction receipts, match ID, and chat logs. They speed dispute resolution. If a payout or verification fails, first recheck KYC and any daily limits, then retry a small transfer. If problems persist, contact Zupee support with evidence and ask for case escalation. Patience and clear documentation resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.